with this. Oh my god. What's up, guys? Hope you're having an awesome morning. It's actually 4:50 right now for me, so I'm like crazy tired here. But we're gonna be going out walleye fishing again. Yes, I know. Hopefully get some bass fishing soon, but we're going out walleye fishing. Hopefully catch a nice little variety of species, because last time I came out here, someone was hooked into sturgeons, people are hooked into catfish, people are hooked into largies, white bass, walleye, big variety. So we're gonna see if we can catch some fish here. It's colder than, I don't even know how to say it. It's cold out. It's 21 degrees out, so fingers might be a little cold today, but we'll have to fight through it. Hopefully catch some fish. Hope you guys are staying tuned, and let's get to some awesome fishing content. Whoop! Nice out, not crazy windy. Thank God, if it was windy, I would be like, the line. Might get a little, what? Oh God, no.
Probably a big female.
I'm assuming so here.
Yep.
Oh
Female.
God. Oh, oh yeah.
Nice fish.
Sunbathe.
Nice fish.
Holy crap.
That's a big one. Yeah, I can measure it.
Beautiful spawned out walleye, guys.
That's a nice one.
Holy crap, these are some big boys. Oh, yep, she's a male. Nice. Right here, right here.
Oh, right there?
That camera, I think that battery thing's dead. That's hard to catch. Oh, Connor has one.
Okay. No, it's
Another good one.
nice.
Good job, Conrad!
Oh, yeah, we'll fly down.
Oh my. Oh, yeah.
Probably a nice one.
Male, I think. Oh, shoot. Oh,
You caught somebody else's line, too.
oh shoot. Chachi.
Oh!
I'm gonna get that line in.
Oh, we got tagged here.
We got a sturgeon, boys and girls.
Come on.
Oh! Oh!
I felt him pick it up. It was a
Boom! Jeez.
I gotta take it.
Oh! Oh! She's coming up.
It's a male. I think it's a male.
Oh! This is Charlotte.
Dude, that's a better one.
Steve.
All right, I'm putting on a different color jig.
Ew, Charlotte.
Nice.
Fish number 4. Connor has 2. I got 2. Sam. Once Sam breaks the ice, he'll get his.
I should have been like, I'm cold.
Yeah.
I'm cold.
Oh. That's a no. That's a walleye, I think. Yeah.
Run over by your line, watch it. Yeah. Okay, no, thanks for that email. Jesus.
I don't know what this is. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Nice.
Just hooked her too.
Scale on it. Connor, do you have an iPhone?
I got it.
21-ish. Beautiful fish, ladies and gentlemen. That is a nice fish. I did not think it was going to be that big. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we got 5 fish so far and 1 sheephead. And Sam had a sturgeon on and didn't get her, but we are moving and we're going to try drifting this spot. It's a little cold outside.
Oh, a little.
Little. It's more than a little cold. It's really cold outside. Gonna give her a try. Hopefully catch a couple more and then get out of here a little later. So hopefully we catch some fish and yeah. Yeah. There we go.
This is a spot. See if we can pick up one.
Guy. It's in this.
It's a welter. Get in here.
It's a male.
Get in here, boy. Get in here, boy. Get in here, boy. Get in here, boy. Watch your rods, Sam. Don't step on your rod.
Getting this down to a T.
Down to the T. Here, boy.
Oh!
Oh no! Oh my god!
Hope you got that on camera.
I almost went right in the drink.
Did you get it on camera?
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
Alright everybody, that is a wrap for the video. I just got off the water. I am freezing, as you can see. My cheeks are probably redder than a cherry, but just got off the water. Good day of fishing. Got up early, got out the water at 5:30ish. Fished till what, 9? Awesome day. So go home, clean the mails that we got, and we are gonna see you guys in the next video. So if you guys like this kind of videos, go subscribe, turn post notifications on, and stay tuned for some upcoming walleye / bass videos. So I will see you guys in the next episode. Have an awesome day and go catch some fish. See you guys later.